Music down. The winner of the first Miss Arret Tagaytay goes to Iloilo City! Congratulations!
Maayong adlaw sa tanan. Ako gali si Alexi Mika Imosog Brooks from Iloilo City. Gapangayo ako sa inyong bulig to help me get
put a period to the discrimination of women's rights, because women are powerful, women are driven, women can do all. Putting a period to gender-based violence and discrimination.
All right. You know, I'm not necessarily savvy when it comes to like pageant news, but from what I know, you're practically one of the most popular out there. You know what I mean? Like having a lot of fans, supporters on social media, etc. Is this adding pressure to you towards your journey to the crown?
Well, I think it's more of me. I know that I'm representing these people, and I know that I'm here to have fun and to create an influence. So instead of me creating or thinking this more of a pressure, it's just more of me that I'm creating or lifting my community. And if I feel pressure and I am scared, then they'll be scared. So I need to enjoy the moment.
That is amazing, ladies and gentlemen. Iloilo. Now that's not the official question. That's not counted. All right. And the name we're calling is Oyel de Leon.
Wait. Okay, wait. I'll check the question. Wait. Hi, Alexi. Hello. Mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
Okay, my question is... Oh, wait. Oh, wala. As a role model for young Filipinos, how do you plan to promote critical thinking, empathy, and tolerance to foster more inclusive and compassionate society?
Well, we live in a generation right now where social media is what most people use, and as your Miss Universe Philippines, Iloilo, I am here to influence people, and I will teach people the importance of humility and love, especially in the use of social media. I am someone who often get abused because of my differences in my complexion, and I want people to realize that we should see people more than their skin tone and their hair, but what they can offer in their hearts. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Very well said. During the grand coronation of Miss Universe Philippines, we are awarding Miss Aqua Boracay. But for tonight, we're here at Arret, so we're giving you Miss Arret Tagaytay, representing the goddess of beauty, of wit, of knowledge. Are you guys ready? To help the award, once again, is the Chief Operating Officer of Aqua Boracay and Arret Tagaytay, Mr. Carlo Antonio Co. All right. In the tradition of the Aqua Boracay family and Arret Tagaytay family, we always have to have an ampao that goes along with the winner. And music down. The winner of the first Miss Arret Tagaytay goes to Iloilo City! Congratulations, Alexi Brooks from Iloilo City. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Hati-hati tayo dyan!
And that concludes our special event here at Arret Tagaytay. Ladies and gentlemen, we will see you at the grand coronation of Miss Universe Philippines 2024 at the Mall of Asia Arena on May 22. This has been your host, Kat Briones, saying thank you very much at magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. of Miss Universe Philippines 2024 at the Mall of Asia.
Sabi ko, whoever wins will buy us coffee. Ako pala yung bibili.
Hati-hati.
Hati-hati. We're good?
Photo, Alexi. Ayan, congratulations. Grabe naman. Grabe, hinakot from SK to Aret. Grabe. Sama mo naman kami dito sa October. Alexi here.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vic.